Hey travelers, it's how did I get this far? And today we're playing Truckloader 4. No, 2. Playing Truckloader 2. We're gonna get through all the games. So yeah, there's 30 levels in this one, so yep. Push that in, leave the truck. Bye bye. Next level. Kate. Oh. Restart. Okay. Okay, well. Leave the truck. And bye bye. Bye bye. There we go. Next level. The elevator. Go. Press that. And then forget how you flip yourself up. How do you flip yourself over again? Oh yeah, space. Space. That makes sense. And there we go. Now leave the truck. And we say bye. Now go next level and oh, take that stuff. Okay, drop it and then yeah. Perfect. But you're wondering why his truck was moving so much. Next level, double fall. Okay, so ooh. Okay. Okay, we need to move that up first. And then we need to go get that small box. Yep. Yeet. Nope. Yeet. Imagine if it actually like went into place. That would be pretty cool. Alright, now we say bye. Truck goes. Now we do next level. First show. Snow. Alright. Now we go up. And we throw this over there. Just chuck it. Just chuck it. Chuck it. There we go. Now we leave the truck and it goes. There we go. Next level. And Can I just chuck it down? Or just go down with it? Oh no. Oh no, I'm stuck. No, I broke it! Ah, frick. Oh, frick, 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 and I oh, try to zoom in. Eh, 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 eh. No, no, I'm gonna break it. It's gonna break again. No, no, no. Thank God it didn't break. Okay. And there we go. And oh, can you? I'm gonna assume that. No, no. I just absolutely crushed it. Okay, it is very fragile. Oh, frick, that's War Thunder. I already have War Thunder. Why would I need a browser version or something? Okay. It broke! I didn't even realize that it broke! Okay, if I just nudge it down slow. No! I can't get it to not frickin' break. Frick! What if I just... And I didn't break it. Is it... Hello? It's not... Oh, are you freaking kidding me? Are you freaking kidding me? Oh, that's not how it works. I have to slowly fall and not have it break. Okay. There we go. Success. Go up. Thank you. Why am I... Oh, stay still. Okay, there we go. We did it. Yeah. That was difficult. Okay. Okay, we need this. And we need this. But first we need this. Okay, so... No, I needed that. Okay, come on. There we go. Oh, there we go. What if I want to, like, go with the truck, though? I wanna see if I can go with the truck. No, you can't even move when the truck starts going. Darn. Scissors. Do we have to throw it down there? Okay, I can do this. There we go. Oh, what do those? Oh, no, come back down. Yes, thank you. Okay, so what do those buttons do? That one opens that. Okay, I'm guessing that one opens that then. Please do that. So go up. So why is there like a splat of yellow paint there? Strange. Okay, now we go down. Okay. No, go. No. Maybe we should try and chuck it. Chuck it through. Oh, almost got off the elevator. Okay, let's try and chuck it. It didn't go well. Oh. There we go. Next level. Placeholder. Okay. Do we like break this or something? Oh no, we need to keep that alive. We need to put that there, I think. Or at least the pieces there. Okay. So we know we put that. We know we need that, but we also need this. Oh. Yeah, this is fine. It can take fragments of the other box. Yep. I think we need to catch the boxes. Okay. I can catch it. Oh no, I don't have to catch it. I just let it fall. I thought I had to catch it. And I chuck it. Oh. And I chuck it. Frick, it didn't work. Oh. Yeah. Oh. I was hoping it would. Oh, there we go. That could have been a lot better. Bye bye. Okay. Oh, no. Why am I? Okay. Okay. Well, isn't it gonna break? No, it didn't break. Frick! Okay, well, that time it did, okay? It definitely broke that time. Ah, frick. I need that other box. Okay, so... I'm just gonna... No, frick! breaking the dang boxes. Oh. Maybe this one will land. We'll go through. Yeah. No! Frick! That ain't. Oh, shipload. Oh, I might try that afterwards. Oh, that just broke. Okay. Okay. Just throw it. No. I'm gonna be more careful this time. I'm not gonna freaking chuck it. Because chucking it seems like it will result in bad. So I gotta be careful. Frick! I'm so annoyed. Okay. Okay. I'm so annoyed. I'm just gonna. It broke when it came down. Oh my god. You know what? I'm just gonna put all the pieces in and see if that works. So if that doesn't work, I'm gonna be so annoyed. No, frick. I'm gonna break it. I'm gonna break the other box. Yeah. I'm mad. Heck yeah. Gonna go steal a dog's bird, yeah. Frick. Okay. And then we just do that. What the frick? What it didn't come. Oh. Oh. We need to catch it, and then if it breaks, I would have been so mad. Because you have no idea how long. That just took a while. I don't know, why did that take so long? Okay, Vault 13 Sanctum. And we got 2 boxes to put away. I only see 1 box, so let's hope a box appears. Oh, frick. Why do they have, like, confusing stuff like this? I have to, like... Bro, why was I up there? Why not just right over here, where it's nice and easy? And I wasn't even grabbing that, but okay. And now we do that, and now we wave it goodbye. That was a lot easier. Okay. Orange button. Ah. Frick. Well, yeah, you're gonna chuck things at me. I'm gonna chuck things at the truck. Perfect. Come here. That was I stacked it, but that's not what I was supposed to do. I was. No, I'm friggin' chugging it. I'm making this work by chucking. Okay, now we just need to get this on top. And frick. This guy must be thinking, like, what is taking so long? This isn't even one of the hard ones. This ain't even one of the hard ones. I've been at one. Oh, there we go. I've been at places where they literally had to, like, drive upside down. Like, why is this guy taking so long? This guy knew claustrophobia. I think we're supposed to break these. It's like, whoop. No, no, oh, what? Okay, yep. Why don't they, like, not make their facility have, like, big safety concerns? Like, big giant holes that need to be filled up with boxes. Big box parts, too. Oh. Only one box needs to make it, and I'm pretty sure it's that fragile one, so. Seriously, why do they make it so, like, complex? Mother fricker. Okay, well, I guess this one is the one going on that one. Oh, stay. There we go. Go. Frick! Will it go back up? It does. It does, so I can take that. Oh, no, I can't. No, I can't freaking take that one. Frick, I actually have to There's no way, though, because that just breaks. There's literally no way. We can grab one of the parts from that box and put it on there. Good idea, me. If it does break again, which it has, I will grab one of the pieces. Nope, I haven't grabbed any of the pieces. Okay, got a piece. Got a piece. Alright. I'm gonna bring it up. Up. Heck yeah. This guy's right here has got the smarts. I can do things. I am the best at doing things. I don't think I need that. No, I do need it. I do need it. Why does the truck shake? Did you see that? It's shaking. What? Why is it shaking? Oh, sorry. Oh, frick. Calm down. No, let's try and throw it up there, but frick. Frick. Okay, well that didn't work out well. Let me on that thing. I need to get on it so I can do whatever the heck I need to do. Oh, sorry. And we go up now. And I think we have to jump on there. Yeah, freaking tricks, bruh. Freaking tricks. Hold on. And boom. Flawless. Flawless. See how good that throw was? Wow, that was a really good throw. Wow. It was like, boom. I want another, please. Can I get another? I want another. Give me another. For what? Wait, what? Excuse me? Is level 18 not able to be completed? Oh, we were supposed to get 30. Huh. Well, that was stupid. Going up. Oh, this video is 26 minutes long. After level 18 or whatever this is, I'll end it. Okay, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming. Okay, there we go. Anyways, travelers, thus has been me. How did I get this far? And I shall be eating the toilet. Wait. What?